Hey guys, so today I will be unboxing the Tplink dual wall charger. It's a quick charging power brick which supports an output of 12 watts, that is 5 volt 2.4 amps on each of its ports.
Some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face. Got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption ever came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone. So save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel
The design is a glossy finish at the front with the Tplink logo, and below it there is a 2 USB-A port with a blue ring around it, and the rest of the cover is made up of matte finish. It looks good, it is not that bad, but on the usage I found that the pin was too long, due to which it couldn't fit into the Indian wall outlet. So if you are trying to purchase this, do take a note of that. It will not fit properly on your wall output.
lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came.
So I am having this two cables. One is the OnePlus 3 dash charging cable type C, another one is the normal micro USB type cable. I am plugging both in this output and I will connect it to the charger. So right now I chose the OnePlus 3 because it shows the current at which the phone is charging. As you can see, when I am connecting this to my charger, it says charging rapidly because it's showing as 2 amps and 4 volt charger, so it's 10 watt of output, so it can charge rapidly. Now let's try with the other phone, which is the LG Q6. It doesn't support dash charging. Right now it's at 90% battery and it shows it will take around 18 minutes for full charge from 90 to 100.